from surveying tornado damage in Bryant, Illinois. This used to be a depot, a railroad depot. That's for the Fulton County narrow gauge. Not narrow gauge, I'm sorry. The Intururban, whatever it's called. It operated from, I believe, 1903 to 1928. So this is a pretty old building. It's in a bad shape. It looks like it didn't have too much damage from the tornado on April 4th. I might have took some bricks and maybe knocked some of the wood out on the windows, but some pretty old. I don't imagine that the building was used much after the rail line went out of business. I imagine it shared trackage with CB&Q or had a line running next to it. I think they had a line next to it. A CP&Q line is right behind them. It's technically not abandoned, but it's out of service, using only for storage. They got cars. BNSF has cars stored back there. Bunch of Baretable cars. Jesus, they can even leave debris in rail cars. This is between Bryant and Lewistown. Out on the edge of Lewistown. Look at that. Jeez, even the railroad was spared. I wonder if BNSF even knows or cares.